You know, we're almost wrapped up here. Came into the office for a short stint, and I actually ran into Miki, who works for us, and she ordered something. So I said, can I bother you to just stick around for 7 minutes? This is an HP laptop, and she ordered it brand new from HP Japan in Tokyo. Let's crack it open. So just at first looks, they're not using any foam, like polystyrene, polyethylene foam, aka styrofoam. They're actually using a lot of paper, which is fantastic. They have their product information guide. They have some HP kind of how it's safe for the world and all the turtles, which is fantastic as well. That's really nice. And we have some more Alexa built-in information. And oh, we have all the cabling and everything. Now, this is something very interesting, and we want to point out. In Japan, they use two-prong, just like North America, Canada, America, Mexico, but they have this as well. Products in Japan, 90% of them will not have a third prong. Instead, they will have a ground that looks like this. It's actually separate. The rest of the cabling is going to be the exact same, and you don't need the ground, but it just helps protect your device a little bit more. Doesn't seem to be anything else in there except for this, which is, holy crap, what is that? That is a direct... okay, so that's if you want to plug something into this, like an extension. That's really interesting. I can't say I've ever seen one of those cables in my entire life. Let's open up the laptop so I can get her out of here, and we can continue on our individual lives. So we have some more stuff in the box right here. This seems to be the wall adapter that plugs into there like that. You don't need to use the ground again. It's a good idea. It's always advisable to do so. It seems that they've sandwiched this with just pressure. So they actually inserted the outer dimension of the female acceptance and the inner dimension of the male, and it just goes in like that. So that's kind of cool that they didn't use any plastic in the packaging other than the device itself wrapped up. This is, are you ready for it? 15EG2026 TU. You can see some specs here. 512 gigs solid state, i5 processor, 16 gigs RAM, no optical drive, of course, because who needs a DVD player anymore, essentially. Windows 11, and it's a 15.6 inch FHD IPS LED display. Little disclaimer, everyone. I just asked her, I said, is it okay if we open it? No pressure. She's like, yeah, of course. So yeah, don't worry about it. We're not just taking our employees' stuff and unboxing it willy-nilly. They're cool with it. So we're going to take this out. Watch me drop it. No. So this is a very lightweight and thin laptop. I have heard things of it, and we've been talking around the water cooler, so to speak, of her buying one of these in. Wasn't really necessary that we feature it on the channel, but let's just look at it, because a lot of people don't know that when they buy stuff from Japan, it comes in a different format, in that the keyboard is different. Yes, the Japanese keyboard is equipped on this, and it is nothing like the North American standard. It is not going to have the things in the same place. For example, Shift 2 is not at. It's the quotation. If you set your computer to do US layout and you do Shift 2, it will be the at symbol. So the muscle memory still exists in that you can actually utilize it with the Japanese keyboard, but in the USA way that it would do it. This is everything that comes in the box with the HP and a really long model name. Stay tuned for no review, because we're not going to do a review on this. Thanks for watching, guys, and happy Halloween.